Day in the life of a bakery owner. Charis, hindi pa po tayo bakery owner. Isa lang po akong normal na tao na gagawa ng pandesal. Naisip ko, what if mamaster ko yung pinakamasarap na pandesal sa buong Pilipinas? And people will fly from all over the world para lang matikman to. Do you think that's possible? Absolutely, I think that's possible. Because, with God, nothing is impossible. Yan na, nagpapanik na ako sa part na yan kasi ang pangit ng itsura niya. Here, we're gonna add some fats. First try to, so okay lang magkamali. Don't be afraid, Lex. Kneading is pagmamasa, I think. So yan, mamasa ko lang siya. Ang fun magmasa, guys. Sa una, weird siya pero masasanay ka din. Nakakatuwa siya. Although nakakapagod, but feels good. Malinis kamay ko, promise. And yun na. Sabi sa recipe, you only got to knead it or imasa it for 15 minutes. And ayan, ipoproof na natin for 1 hour. And 1 hour tayong maghihintay. And yep. Then after 1 hour, paghihiwa-hiwalay na natin sila ng maliliit na balls. And then lalagyan ng breadcrumbs. And then straight to the oven. Fast forward. Bake for around 20 minutes. And guys, I have a bad news. Ang tigas niya. And hindi ko alam kung bakit. I-research ko. And hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi ko nagagawa yung best pandesal in the world. So, thank you for watching, guys.